Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our course on the pattern library. So to continue, we are going to do that of word count estimation. So word count estimation actually helps us to give some kind of quantity or estimation, okay, to some values, okay. So let's say if I say 200, if I have strawberry and then I give it like a value of 200, I can have it say maybe the pattern library would actually put it in the hundreds. So we have 100,000, tens of thousands, millions. So these kind of values, okay, that we learned in school. So hundreds, ones, tens of thousands, thousands, millions, hundreds, and the likes. Okay, so let's try that out to see how it works. So from pattern.en, okay, so from the en model, we are going to import um, still with the quantify. Okay, so still with the quantify. Okay, so since quantify is already imported, we don't need to import it. Okay, we can just go ahead. So print into brackets, I'm going to do quantify, quantify, okay, and then we are going to create a dictionary. So curly braces, and then I can put quotes, and then let's say I want oranges, so oranges, oranges, and then out of the quotes I'm going to put a colon, and then we want the value. So let's say 100, or let's use 300, okay, then comma. I can do paw, pow, pow, paw, paw. Okay, colon, and then let's give it, let's say 14. Okay, so if we run it, let's see what it will give us. Invalid syntax. What's wrong? Let's see. Curly braces. This. Okay. Okay. So it's this. We go with this. So this should be here. Okay. So we have hundreds of oranges. Let me take this S out. Okay. So hundreds of oranges and then a number of what purples. Okay. So I'm just going to copy this and then let's duplicate it a number of times. Okay. So I'm going to pause and then I'll do some changes. Okay, so welcome back. And then what I did was to duplicate this one, two, three, four times. So all I want to do is I'm going to take this out. Okay, I'll also take this out. I'll take this out. Sorry, oops, what just happened? Let's take it out. Then I'll take this out. And also take the comma out. Okay, so I have orange, guava, tomato, and then cranberry. So now we don't want a dictionary value. So all I have to do is just type put a comma, then amount. Okay, so amount equals, and then I'll give it the value I want. So let's say 1,300. Then here too I'll do same. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, take this out. Okay, let's just copy all of this. Control C. I'm going to paste it. Okay. Oops. Let me just pause and do it. Okay, so welcome back, and then you can see what I have. Okay, so the orange, comma, the amount to 1,300. Okay, and then with the cranberry, I'm going to change the value here to, let's see, let me add another 0. Okay, and then with the tangerine, let me add 2 zeros. And here I'll add okay, so what I did was to increase the number of zeros. Okay, so here let's say I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So it's 7. Okay, so the values here are 7. This should be 6. Okay, and this should be 4 or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Okay. So let's print it out and see. Invalid in print, quantify, cranberry. Okay, I have to take this out. No, 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 no. Let's see the issue. I'll pause and then. Okay, I can't seem to find where the error is, but let me just cut this, then run this and see. Unexpected. Okay, just find everything from here. End of. Okay, so the error, remember this quantify has a bracket on its own, and then this is a bracket on its own. Okay, so I have to close it. I have to close the brackets. Yeah, it should work. Okay, so thousands of oranges. Okay, so let's just fix it. So I need to close everything with the brackets. So close that. Close. Then close it. Okay, because the quantify has it comes with its own bracket. So let's see this how it's supposed to be. So print. I'll pause it and then type it out. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look. Okay, so print and then the quantify has its own brackets. Okay, and then the print also has its own brackets. So quantify and then you input your value there. Okay, yes, yeah, you input your value there as you see here. So now I can just let me comment this out. Then if I run this, it should work for us. Okay, so you can see we have what thousands of oranges, tens of thousands of cranberries. Okay, hundreds of thousands of tangerines, and then millions of bananas, as you see here. Okay, so there's something interesting that you can do. Okay, I actually want to limit the time for this exercise. So all you can do is you can duplicate. No, I wouldn't recommend you duplicate, but rather type it yourself. Do a number of exercises, probably maybe 3 or 4 or 7. So you have a muscle memory of this, and then yeah, it should be good to type this off head. Okay, so thank you, and then see you in the next lesson. Thank you.